Türkiye has unveiled the KGK-84, a guidance kit that transforms a standard 1-ton dumb bomb into a long-range precision glide weapon. By deploying wings mid-flight, the KGK-84 enables strikes from distances of up to 100 kilometers, allowing aircraft to engage targets while staying outside high-threat air defense zones. From standoff capability to cost-effective precision, this is a major step in the evolution of aerial warfare. Subscribe for more defense and military technology analysis.
Fit 061 mah rotasında devam ediyor.